somebody, for the love of God, tell me how for months, almost over a year now, um, I have a migraine that has lasted almost 2 straight years with not a single day of reprieve. I'm having seizure episodes constantly. Um, I am going blind in both my eyes. I'm just having random moments of complete total blindness. There's nothing wrong with my eyes. All the tests of my eyes came back completely normal, but I'm still going blind. Half my face has been paralyzed for a week and a half, going on 2 weeks. Um, my legs keep randomly becoming paralyzed, and or having random uncontrollable seizing moments where I literally can't control my legs anymore and I can't walk. Um, I am constantly sick. There was a 2.5 month period where I physically couldn't eat anything because I couldn't stop vomiting. I couldn't stop having diarrhea. Um, I like literally could not have anything other than liquid. Um, no, baby. Um, I keep losing feeling in most of my body. I'm having these uncontrollable seizing episodes and the seizures. The spasms and seizings are different. Um, I my memory is severely impaired. My cognitive abilities are severely impaired. My motor skills are severely impaired. Um, I can barely get out of bed anymore. I get up for just a couple of hours and I'm so fatigued and in so much pain that I'm bedridden for the rest of the day. Um, I keep randomly losing my ability to speak. My tongue becomes thick and heavy in my mouth, my words become slurred, and I can't talk. Um, and that list alone is not all of it. Um, I've been to doctor after doctor after doctor. It started out with me being in the hospital every once in a while, and then it was once every couple of months, and then it was once a month, and then it was once a week. And currently, as of making this video right now, I've been in the hospital or in the doctor's every single day, sometimes two different hospitals in a day, um, for almost 2 straight weeks. Um, and nobody can tell me what's wrong. Nobody knows. Um, all of my tests are coming back normal. I've had CT scan after CT scan. I've had scans of my eyes. My eyes were fine. Um, I had a CT scan of my brain. That was fine. I'm still waiting on MRI. I saw a neurologist. He did a neurological exam on me. I failed it so badly that I fell on the floor and he had to help me up into the chair. And he said, I want to send you for brain imaging. And then he never did. And no one followed up on that. Um, I have been in the hospital emerge constantly for weeks, months even, and every time I go to the emerge, the doctors tell me, you're fine, go home and follow up with your family doctor. And then I go home and I follow up with my family doctor, and my family doctor says, holy fucking shit, you need to go to the hospital right now. You need to go to the emerge. These symptoms are really bad. You need to go to the emerge. Um, so I go to the emerge and they tell me the exact same thing. You're fine. Nothing's wrong. They have done test after test. They have done blood tests. They have done, I feel like, everything under the sun. I've been diagnosed with a whole whack of things in the meantime. I have a hernia. I have a liver disease. I have a blood disease. I have gallstones. I'm diagnosed with Bell's palsy in the side of my face. I was diagnosed with Lyme disease. Um, a million and one different things. I suspect I have EDS. I'm diagnosed with fibromyalgia. I'm diagnosed with chronic fatigue syndrome. I suspect I have dysautonomia. Um, but the suspected things I'm still not able to get tested for, and literally everybody is looking at me, and it's half the doctors I see, especially at the Emerge, are like, this seems psychosomatic because we can't find anything. And then the other half of the doctors I see are like, holy fucking shit, something is deeply wrong. I just got through an entire like week of working with an ophthalmologist specialist because I'm going blind. I am going blind. And the ophthalmologist checked everything with my eyes. We did everything. And my eyes are fine. My eyes are fine. When they're not aggravated and I'm not having the blindness spells, I can see perfectly fine with my glasses anyways. I can see fine. But I'm still going blind. I keep having these moments of just complete and total blindness where I can't see anything, and at first they lasted for a couple seconds at a time, and now they're a couple minutes at a time, happening over and over and over and over and over again all throughout the day. So half the fucking day I can't see anything and I'm blind. I'm still having the seizures. I'm still losing control of my legs. I keep losing control of my bladder and my bowels. I'm afraid to take a shower right now because I'm afraid my legs are going to give out, or I'm going to have a seizure and I'm going to fall in the shower and either get really hurt or drowned. And no one can tell me what's wrong. Either they don't believe me, or they do the tests and it comes back fine, and no one can tell me what's wrong. I had a CT scan of my brain done, and it said there was no obvious evidence of a bleed or a stroke or a mass in my brain. And so that, I guess that's fine. I'm still waiting on MRI. I have an MRI on the 30th, I think. But at this point, I'm pretty convinced that that's going to come back normal too, and I don't know what's wrong. I have no fucking idea what's wrong. It is debilitating. I can't do anything in my day anymore. I had to drop out of college. I can't work. I'm on disability, thank God, but I can't get a job. I can barely fucking get out of bed. I can't keep my apartment clean. I'm barely eating. I still now can barely eat anything. There are only a few specific things that I can eat, or I get really sick and really fatigued. And I black out. I faint. I've been having fainting spells. My blood pressure's been fucked. I've been having constant bleeding. My eyes have been seeping pus. My sinuses are fucked. My ears are fucked. Everything is fucked. And they can see the symptoms. Like, the doctors are telling me they see the symptoms. The symptoms are there. They know they're happening, but they don't know why. No one can tell me why. No one can tell me what's wrong. What is wrong with me? I feel like I'm dying all the time. My face doesn't normally look like this. My face has been swollen for 2 weeks, and it hasn't gone down. I have blisters underneath my eyelids. I don't know what's wrong, and no one can tell me what's wrong with me, and half the doctors don't even believe anything is wrong, and they think I'm making it up. How could I make up bleeding and pus and seizures and all of these different things that are showing up on your scans, but you tell me everything is normal and fine? How could I be making that up? What is wrong with me? If anyone out there is a doctor and can maybe tell me what they think is wrong, please do. I'm all ears, because I'm at my wit's end. I don't know what to do.